one is, for the moment we have an empty project directory containing only a readme.mt. It's time to code. So for the moment we have an empty directory containing a readme, time to code. So inside this, okay, so this one is telling you that we have an empty directory, project directory that contains everything. So inside this directory now, create these directories at the root of the directory. So create this empty file. So we have to create this directory bash c and js. Okay, so let us clear it. Make directory bash c js. Let's see, I think this should work. Bash c js. Let's see if this will work. So let's list it. So we have the 3 directories inside already. And then create these empty files. Inside the C is fun. Okay. So a file. So can we do that like this? There are 2 ways to do it. So we can just create touch. Okay, let's just do it this way. Let's cd into C, right? So cd into C. So we are inside the C, and then let us create C is fun. So when we list it, we have the C is fun inside C, right? So inside JS we will do main.js. Okay, so copy inside JS, so we'll cd outside, and inside JS we'll cd into JS, and then we'll say touch main.js. So when we list it, we have it there. Let's clear it. CD outside back, and still inside this inside JS2 again we have index.js. So the command to go to the previous directory is cd dash, and we are inside JS back. So we can just touch index.js, paste it, then clear, then go back to create a file /ALX. Okay, create a file called bash/ALX with create a file ALX inside this bash, right, with 2 lines inside. So the first line will be bin/bash, and the second line will be echo ALX. So create a file bash school with, so all the files should be like this. See, so we're going to look for, we are going to create this file ALX inside this bash, I guess. Add all these new files to Git, commit your changes, message, blah blah blah. So to do that, let's see what we can do if it will work. Cd out. Okay, we have bash here already. Thank God. I was wondering where we see this bash. Okay, good. So what we'll do now is we enter this bash, create ALX, right? So enter this bash, cd into bash. We are already into bash, and then we create ALX, and and then we have our ALX, right? Then we can echo. What's the first word? I'll use echo. I'll use VI. I'm supposed to use VI and Emacs, but let's just use echo and VI. So the next one, in another one, we can talk about how to use Emacs very well, because I've already used Emacs once before here. So you can do like this. Okay, let's use. I love using my double quotes. And then use your 2 arrow keys into your ALX. So what you are telling you should put this word into ALX, because I know that there's nothing inside ALX. This double quote means you should, okay, let's use single quote for example. So this single quote means that this single greater than sign means that if there's anything, you should delete everything and just put only this thing inside, okay? So when I press enter, oh, there's something wrong. Let me use my single quote back. Echo Control V /. Okay, I know what's wrong. Sorry guys, I know what's wrong, because this slash act as an escape. So I think I might need to put this here, or a double quote. Yeah. So what this backslash means, an escape. So to cancel the escape, I'm adding one extra dot. So when we cut what is inside the ALX, you see that we have it without the escape. So all this is an escape key, and adding the quote, single quote, would negate the power of this. Okay, so that's what I did here. So secondly, they said inside it we should have a code that says echo ALX on the second line. Okay, so to do that, what I will do is I will do echo as well, and then let's echo this, echo ALX. So don't forget, this one has double quotes, right? So because it has double quotes, I'll use double quote as well first, and then I'll use backslash to cancel its own personal double quote. So backslash, sorry, my keyboard. Okay, so because I don't want it to override this beans bash, okay, so I'll use this one that don't overwrite what you see, just append this one to it, and then that should work. So let us see what is inside our ALX, and we can see that we have the two inside, the first one and the second one. So let us clear it, and let us go here and create a file called school inside, and then bin bash echo school. Okay, so let me just copy this. School, right? Touch. I can even just do echo straight. Echo. Where is it? Echo bin bash into what? School. Echo this into school, right? This should work first, and then echo my previous command. You use the arrow up key to navigate to your previous command. Echo, what's the second command? Echo school, right? So that ALX will be school. This one will be school. And this one as well will be 1, 2, 3, school. Right? It's in caps lock, small letter. This one is capital letter, I guess. Yeah, something like this. And enter. So when we cut school, you see, we have it there. You can do LS, ALX and school with the two files there. Okay. Echo school is this one. Echo school. It doesn't have double slash. What did I just press? Look at me. Okay, let us use VI to open the school file. Echo. To insert, to change this one, I can press O. You know, I press A. A key. It's already in insert mode. There's a way to change it. Anyway, and then press your escape key. And X. So when we cut school, yeah, we have the echo school. Echo school. Echo ALX. Let's check again if this one is correct. Cut ALX. Oh, this one too is not correct. Sorry guys. Yeah, ALX. Press your I. Come down. Delete. Come down. Delete. Press your escape. Press your double colon. Press your X. Exit. So when you do cut ALX, it should be correct. Correct. Wait, we have quotation mark. Jeez. Cut ALX. Via ALX. We can press our A and then quotation mark. Okay. I use the W key. Oh, sorry. Escape key, double quotes, X, VI school. Hi. Double quotes and double quotes. Escape key. Double colon. W key. Okay, good. So after that, add all files, all the new files to Git. Commit your message. Commit message starting to code today. So your commit message should be like this and push. So clear. Git add everything. Did we work on bash or true? Let me see. We work on everything. So what I'll do is I'll cd outside. So we can be here because we have all these files we want to commit. So I'll say git add git commit -m. And what is our commit message? So anytime I want to use this one, see, I think is this forward slash? I think it's this forward slash that I was supposed to use instead of backslash. And then I'll come here. I want to try it. It should have that quote with it. So forward slash. Sorry. Quote forward slash quote. Let's see if this will work. Starting to commit today, so it worked, but it has this extra quote. So to remove this one, let me recommit it. To remove this one, let's just do like this. Let's see. I'm not sure this will work. Well, let's just remove everything for now. I can't remember how this works. Sorry. So let's do git add again. Why is it writing in this rubbish? Clear. Okay, I know why it's that. I know why it's writing all this. I think the quote is different. You get. So that's why the quote is different. So we are correct. The backslash, the escape one, and then we have the backslash. The quote I copied is a different kind of quote. That is why. Yeah. So git. Let's just push it. Git push. Okay. Let's go and check if it will mark us right. Okay, so let's close it.